Hello there, I am your host, Hans Sonnenberg. Welcome to my podcast, Whimsical Tales Under the Moonlight, a podcast where we explore the magical world of dreams. Hello, little ones, are you all snug and ready for a special bedtime story? Join me under the enchanting moonlight as we venture into a world of magic, new friends, and thrilling adventures. Allow your imagination to take flight as we dive into our tale for tonight. Close your eyes and let the magic unfold. Once upon a time, in a magical forest far, far away, there lived a brave and hard-working ant named Andy. Andy was a special ant who lived in a bustling ant hill with his loving family, his wife Annie, and their little ant children, Alex and Ava. The anthill was a marvel of engineering, with intricate tunnels and chambers that housed hundreds of ants, all working together in perfect harmony. Every day, Andy and his ant family scurried around the anthill, carrying bits of food, leaves, and supplies above their heads. They worked together tirelessly, always on a mission to gather food for their family and protect their home from any dangers that may come their way. The forest was full of wonders and challenges, and the ants knew that their strength lay in their unity. One sunny morning, as Andy was carrying a heavy load above his head, little Alex asked him a curious question. Daddy, why do we have to carry so much weight above our heads? Andy smiled and replied, We ants work hard because when we help each other and stick together, we can do amazing things. Even though we are small, we are strong and brave. As time went by, Andy and his family faced challenges like rainstorms that flooded their home and pesky predators trying to invade their anthill. But Andy always taught his children the importance of never giving up, working as a team, and staying positive no matter what. He would often say, Remember, my dear ones, our strength is not just in our muscles, but in our hearts and our unity. One day, a terrible storm hit the forest. The rain poured down in torrents, and the wind howled through the trees. The ant hill was in danger of being washed away. Andy knew that they had to act quickly. He gathered all the ants and said, We must work together to save our home. Each of us has a role to play, and together we can overcome this challenge. The ants sprang into action. Some worked to build barriers to divert the water, while others reinforced the tunnels to prevent them from collapsing. Andy and his family worked tirelessly, their tiny bodies moving with incredible speed and precision. Despite the ferocity of the storm, the ants' determination and teamwork shone through. As the storm raged on, Andy noticed a young ant struggling to carry a large leaf. Without hesitation, he rushed to help, lifting the leaf together and guiding the young ant to safety. You see, Andy said, when we help each other, we can achieve the impossible. Finally, after what seemed like an eternity, the storm began to subside. The rain slowed to a drizzle and the wind calmed. The ants had managed to save their home, and as they looked around, they saw the fruits of their labor. The ant hill stood strong, a testament to their bravery and teamwork. Just like Andy and his family of ants, we too can learn important lessons from their brave lives. We can be strong in the face of difficulties, tackle problems with courage, and never lose hope. Just like the ants who build and protect their home by working together, we can achieve incredible things when we support each other with love and determination. So remember the story of the brave ant named Andy and his family, and let their magical tale inspire you to always keep moving forward, no matter what challenges come your way. The ants may be small in size, but their hearts are big, and their spirits are filled with great strength. Like them, you too can conquer any obstacles and discover the wonders of life. Good night, dear listener, until we meet again under the moonlit sky. Sweet dreams, little one, and may you always find joy and laughter in the world around you. Good night. Good night.